Okay, so we're going to be talking about properties as we start moving into solving equations. And all of this up here might look a little crazy to you, and that's okay. But I'm going to show you how you're going to have questions posed to you when you have to give them properties as an answer. This says, what property justifies step 2, which is right here. But when something says what property justifies step 2, what it really means is what property got you from step 1 to step 2. Okay? So the first thing I like to do is I like to look and see, what happened or what's different. First of all, this 3x and this 3x are the same. Okay? And that 17 plus 4 does indeed give you 21. But what's interesting here is the minus 4, which was up above it, plus 4 to give you 0. And that's known as the additive inverse, which means you're doing exactly the opposite of what you have, okay, to start solving this equation. All right, so what happened is you actually added 4 on this side and you added 4 on that side, okay, but you used it to get rid of the negative 4 over here and you just moved it to the other side of the equation, and that's known as the additive inverse property. So don't worry, we're going to have lots of time to talk about other properties. Just a quick review, I'm going to go past here, is the associative property. Okay, and associative property just means that if you have 2 plus 3 plus 6 and you have it exactly in the same order on the other side of the equal sign, okay, all it means is that your parentheses changed the grouping. Your parentheses moved, but the order was the same. Now, if you have commutative, that's a little different. So if you have 4 plus 2 here, and on the other side you have 2 plus 4, that means they switched places. That's commutative. And then our favorite is the distributive property, and we'll be going into that more. But just real quickly, if you have a number outside, and then let's say you have this inside those parentheses, it's going to go here and it's going to go here. So 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times a positive 2 is a positive 12. So we're going to be doing a lot more of that. Don't worry, you're going to get plenty of review. See you guys soon.